The following is not meant for children, has been edited by Cute Stuff, and is brought to you by support from Patreon. Hello, and welcome back. I am MasterAelix, and this is MasterAelix's Build Love Time, or better known as MasterAelix's BLT. The videos in this series where I go over character builds for some of my favorite RPGs. In this video I plan to show you step by step how to make a character build that I really enjoy and hope that you enjoy it too. Now, I like to make fun and flavorful character builds, something that leans more into ROLE play as opposed to ROLL play. However, it never hurts to give yourself some numerical advantages from time to time, as a treat. Now, my way is far from the only way to build characters. This is just one character built in a way that I think is fun. Hopefully I've done a good enough job and that you would want to play this character too. However, feel free to change things and make it a character you do want to play. As I go through this build, I'm going to go into detail about what I've selected and why I've selected things to do, but I won't be doing is reading the books to you. First off, that's very boring. Second, doing that removes your need to get the books on your own. I love these games and I love for you to support these publishers, so go buy their books. Now, let's set these ingredients out and let's make ourselves a BLT. Today's BLT is for the Transformers RPG by Renegade Games. This week's art does not exist, because while this build is totally valid, it's also a very silly video made on April Fool's Day 2026. As such, this is an extra silly build, and once we get into it, you'll see why it would be very hard to do art for. No character description to follow. So let's get into the layers of this BLT, shall we? The books you'll need to get from Renegade Games to make the characters I've made them here are the Core Rulebook, Decepticon Directive, and Techno-Organic Secrets. So let's start off with all the stuff you want to grab before getting levels. Influence, it doesn't matter, take your pick. Origin, Fusor from Techno-Organic Secrets, but with what two animal forms you pick doesn't matter, just take note which ones you do now. Role, Mode Master, this is a crazy role that only Transformers can do and I love it for that. Take any two essence and any two skills that you want, nothing at the base role is really noteworthy for this bot. Focus, Mimic from Decepticon Directive. In short, Mimic is a triple changer turned all the way up to 11. This grants you additional alt modes at the start and at level 10. Pick Fusor every single time. Just pick a different set of two each time. There's only 13 options, so you'll have 12 out of 13 by the time you're level 10. Faction, doesn't matter, take your pick. Next step is gear. Take your pick. I picked 2 grenades and 2 vine bombs because I'm Aelix. Essence step. The suggested spread of 4332 for this video doesn't matter. Take your pick. Hey, you've made it this far into the video. Thank you for that. Seems like you're liking the video, so show that you do by hitting the thumbs up button down below. Maybe you leave a comment and tell me what you're enjoying. Now that the start has been established, let's get into the levels. This time we're only going to level 1 for the complete build. And at this point, for everything I want to do for this crazy April Fool's bot, I'm done. This insane chimera is crazy to be and even crazier to play. Level 10 is where you get all your alt modes, so that's a real goal. Ask your GM for a level 10 one-shot. Alternatives? Pfft, no. With all that being said, here's where I'm going to say thank you all for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe. A little click for you, but a really big deal for me, and I greatly appreciate everyone who does. If you have enjoyed this video, check out the links down below for links to my editor, my merch market, and of course my Patreon campaign, where you get a variety of awards, including early access to all my videos. Thank you all for joining me, and I shall see you all on the next one. This is a special shout out to all my wonderful supporters over on Patreon. Aaron Smith, Dennis Detman, Drew Betts, Harry Thompson, Mark Milius, and Takashi Yamato. Thank you all so much. These videos wouldn't exist without you.